Hi, my name is Elham Marzi, and I'm an assistant professor teaching stream in the Faculty of Applied Science and Engineering. Hi, is this thing on? Mute. Unmute. Oh, sorry, hold on. I think I'm upside down. So at this year's EdTech workshop, I'm excited to be presenting on global classrooms and how educators can make a pinch of global go a long way for their students. To me, Control Shift is putting ourselves back in gear and focusing on our real priorities. How do I shift gears? Well, I love to relax in the company of my two feline overlords, Mia and Odin. With them purring by my side, life's bliss.